How to use multiple accounts in Roblox. Now you gotta put in mind, to be able to do this, your phone must be good enough to be able to run two Roblox games at the same time. So once you have that in mind, you should be ready about lag or something like that, since it's two Roblox. So first of all, we can go ahead and get ourselves two of the Roblox app itself. Now you could download something like Parallel Space over here, or any app duplicator in your Play Store. You can go ahead to your Play Store and search for something like that. In our case, we could use Parallel Space over here, and the process is pretty much the same as what we're about to do. But if you have the setting, then it's much better since it's already the general feature in your device. So go ahead into your settings and search for something like dual or something like clone. So something similar to this kind of word. So a dual app. So in dual apps over here, we can go ahead and toggle our Roblox. That way we can have two Roblox apps at the same time. So dual app support, Roblox is supported. So we went ahead and toggled that on, and we're gonna get another Roblox app, which is just over here. We're just gonna go ahead and put it beside our Roblox. So we can press on our main Roblox over here if it loads. So here we are. We have our main account and stuff. So we're just gonna go ahead and choose our game. Now, another thing you can have to do is either you open up a browser where you can search for Roblox games. So we're just gonna go ahead and try doing that. So let's say Chrome. So in our Chrome, we are logged into another Roblox account over here, and let's say we open up a game. Let's go ahead and just choose something not too crazy like Brookhaven over here, and it's gonna ask us to select the app. So make sure you select the other Roblox app, which is not the main one, the one with the clone symbol. So we're just gonna go ahead and press on that. Now it's just gonna lead us to the Roblox player of the other app, and we're just gonna go ahead and press on play. Now we have two Roblox games that are open on two different accounts. Now, depending on your device compatibilities, and if it allows you, you should be able to see both your main game and the second one at the same time. But in our case, it's just gonna go ahead and only show one screen at a time. So we can go ahead and try going back, since we left for too long, and we can just go back to our Brookhaven as well over here. But that's pretty much one way you can play multiple accounts in Roblox. So make sure your Roblox is also set into run in background in your settings, device settings. But that's one way you can do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.